Okay, so I'm going to show you how to turn on the cruise control in your BMW. Here is the symbol that you need to press to turn on your cruise control. Once you press the button, you'll get a message which says cruise control is ready. You do need to be driving at least 20 miles an hour in order to activate your cruise control. All you have to do is press this button and it will automatically set the speed at what you're driving. So currently it's 20 miles an hour. If you want to increase the speed, you don't actually need to accelerate because that would turn off the cruise control. You could just press this lever up. Incrementally, it'll increase your speed by 1 mile per hour. If you press it up a little bit more firmly, then it will increase your speed in increments of 5 miles an hour. And then if you want to stop or cancel the cruise control, simply braking slightly will stop the cruise control. So if you have any questions about this, leave a comment and I'll do my best to get back to you.